Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is felipecharming, and in this video I'm gonna be doing my summer 2018 playlist. Get ready with me so I can get litty with me, kind of a thing. Get litty kitty with me. So yeah, I'm just gonna dive right into this.
Without a follow, without a mention. You know dog days, you know hard times. Doing overtime for the last month. Saturday. Without a mention, you really piping up on these niggas. You gotta be nice for what to these niggas? I understand.
You said you down for me, I want you live for me. Now I remember you would hold my hand and call me baby while we're dancing in the parking lot so slow. We don't see. Oh, some more you with her now. And it breaks my heart to see you happy.
Yeah, I remember that I wouldn't do it again. I know you stuck in your ways. So much of push me away. That I got in the flame.
Come again.
Yeah.
Shades always, these bitches can't both know. Bob sleep, sheep, see, I've been those. In vogue, I do what you can't know. New block, my block, hold it out, 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 baby, baby.
Playboy, 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 playboy. All of my money's in yen. All of my work is selling. Thank you and please come again. I'm beginning to end. I am Mickey the Ninja. Have a juke. Remember I've been Barbie. Playboy Barbie. Cover a Playboy Barbie.
You know I'm cool like with them on the beach. You know I'm not that easy.
To be in each other's arms.
Let it breathe.
The pain and the throw the fight. Boy, you know that ain't right. So blue.
I brought my sand to the beach, hopped out the land with the sheep, skin rugs on the floor.
I want you to come inside right now, so you know just how I feel. How I feel.
Man, love never change, you know, people change, you know.
Ain't got no tears in my body. I ran up, but I like it. I like it. I like it. Don't matter. I'm picking it up, picking it up. And I'm living, I'm picking it up. I just want you to go with me. And if you don't know, then I know it, babe. No, babe, yeah. Right now, I'm saying
So mad for it, they don't only pay on their door.
we suck, I took your four-door.
Show up the court without a suit, famous. Your every move is on the news, ain't it? Has a perch too, ain't it? Shooting videos in the loop. bitch know me, I've been me since the cocaine.
Bitch no B, she don't even know the whole name.
Let's be honest, nigga.
Don't need that shit about it. Watch your mouth when you around us. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. He's smoking weed. Just ignore us, we don't need no voucher. If you don't know, now you know, nigga. If you don't know, now you know, nigga.
Noticing you like me, can't control my anxiety.
Now I never get over you until I find something new.
They give me high like you.
This is such a crazy feeling though. I don't want to get too attached, but I feel like I already am.
I see the top of the Maybach. I see the top of to the top of my Maybach, nigga.
Ride around town with the floaters. 1.5 for the land delay. B put the boy on notice. Boy on notice.
You don't let it in, still the realest nigga in the room. I break the internet top 2 and I ain't number 2. My body, my heart's my cash. I'm real, I'm a triple threat. Fuck it up and then leave, come back. Fuck it up and leave again. Woo!
I like holla,
Woo!
I might roller.
Is they trying to party with the queen? They gon' have to sign a non-disclosure.
Bitch, I to the top of my Maybach.
I see the top of the Maybach. I see the top of the Maybach. I see the top of the Maybach. I see the top of the Maybach. Ooh, 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 spicy, spicy, ooh, ooh.
When I get chills at night, I feel it deep inside. Without you, know how to satisfy, keeping that tempo right. Without you, I don't need anybody else. Can't love myself, no, I don't need anybody else. Ooh, I love myself, no, I don't need anybody else. Believe
Forgot I was filming for a second, bitch.
of our dreams. Then there's you. You've got something I've been wanting. Ooh. Most of the time I'm fine. Multiple voices residing in my head. Then there's you. Had to set the record straight,
Cause bitches love to
Mama
assume.
couldn't give it to me, had to get it soothed. Lord only knows how I got it soothed. I was
The pressure on your shoulders feel like boulders when you gotta make sure that everybody's straight.
bitches stab you in your back while they smiling in your face, talking crazy on your name. Cause I don't wanna hear you speak dissing.
Especially not from when you weak, bitches.
I'm on girl like I don't see the stop like
I'm to that, oh, I'm to this. When you see what I see, you end up like this.
I walked into the label with a check, yeah. Cardi B on the charts and expect Cardi B, no it's me, let that bad sound.
Back. Y'all knew this was coming. Y'all knew.
Ain't got some hater rain, get your thirst quenched. Style doing them in this grown very trench. These birds copy every word, every inch.
But gang got the hammer and the wrench.
I'm pushing out his baby's telly biter. Hey yo, I been on, bitch you been con. Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. Laura Bincroft, PlayStation Lee, drop the bins off.
They painted me out to be the bad guy. Well, this is the last time you're gonna see a bad guy do the rap game like me.
How many of them could've did it with finesse? Now everybody like she really is the best. You playing checkers couldn't beat me playing chess. Call me 2 Chainz,
Name go ding dong.
this is King Kong. Yes, I'm King Kong. This is King Kong. Yes, Miss King Kong.
My camera died, and I just went ahead and finished my makeup. I mean, I pretty much was already done. Only thing I did was my lip. Derriere, I think that's how you say it, Derriere, I don't know. It's a brown color from the Nicki Minaj MAC lip collection, lip color collection. I put Nicki's nude in the center to kind of give it like a little slight ombre. which looks like it's completely gone now. Now it just looks like my regular lipstick gloss, and then I topped it off with some Ruby Kisses lip gloss. Y'all, I look really cute in person. Not even like to toot my own horn or anything. But yeah, so I'm just gonna basically finish turning up to the songs that I wanted to turn up to.
They need rappers like me. They need rappers like me.
So they can get on their keyboards and make me the bad guy, Chun-Li.
Hey yo, I been on, bitch you been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on.
It's time to make hits and it's time to diss. How you still diss and still can't find some hits? Was it worth it, dummy?
Niggas getting more cheese.
I'm a bad bitch. The bitch. Bitch gets slick, I'ma cut the bitch.
So don't pick up the bitch. Hit the combination to the safe, drug the bitch. Do the whole operation, been bug the bitch. They would still wife me. He would still wife me. Yeah, him too, he would still wife me. When it comes to stomach girls, these birds is fluent. But they stutter when get asked by the queen's influence.
When it's clear they bite me, I'm glad that they like me. I don't wanna check bitches, tell them where they Nike.
Barbie things, that's Barbie things. Big.
See the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Drink pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least when I'm dressed
I
like.
never had a problem showing you the real me. Hair when it's f***ed up, crib when it's filthy. For small ass apartments to walking back carpets. Some real life fairy tale.
Cinderella.
And that only goes to show that only God knows.
I took pictures with Beyonce, I'm in my nose.
I'm the rose that came from the concrete and the rose. I'm like gold, man, I'm chosen.
I'm floating, ayy. Skirt, skirt. Whose feelings that you hurting and bruising? You gon' gain the whole world, but is it worth the boy that you're losing? Be careful with me, care for me, care for me. Always said that you'll be there for me, there for me.
Oh, you better treat me
Carefully, carefully.
You might have a fortune, but you lose me, you still gonna be misfortunate, nigga. You don't want someone who love you instead? I guess not, though. It's blame disrespect.
You nothing like the nigga I met. Talk to me crazy and you quick to forget. You got me looking in the mirror different, thinking I'm flawed because you inconsistent. Between a rock and a hard place,
The mud in the dirt.
it's gon' hurt me to hate you, but loving you's worse. Teach me to be like you so I could not give a f. I want you to live your life, of course, but I hope you get what you're dying for. Be careful with me. Well, I like the song by Iggy. It's like old, but Aaliyah J. Low-key put me on.
They already know the king with Iggy. True Scott's more than the red dude, you know that. Since about that time you recognize that I'm that red light, yellow light, green light, switch.
Okay, that's enough.
Real one, ain't nothing to it. I bounce. Oh yeah, my great-grandchildren already rich. That's a lot of brown turn on your Forbes list. All these bum whores. You ain't talking about nothing, I ain't got no time. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ooh, real one. Oh yeah.
My bitch drive an all white.
We're not even gonna play with the whole song.
Big bank, tight, low bank, big bank, tight, low bank.
Back again, back to back, made back, stack the M's. Told him I miss Slim Shady, back the M. Yes, I caught Mad Chanel and Mad Javin. She did it again, imagine them. About to make these bum bitches mad again. Uh-oh. I lead the packs on my backs to them. Yup, the queen's back, what's happening? Rerun, about to make these bitches rap again. Diamond chains on my ankle. Show my ass like a stank house.
Big bank, tight, low bank.
Pretty little body and look better on you. Might have to blow it back up at the on yo. What if was, ooh yeah, you better come true. But don't make me wait until the morning. Got a bad, but your name on it. But your name on it. He and my starting five. He get his city live. These niggas scared they doing 50 and a 55. I said go all the way down and then head right. I'm watching it up. Look at him looking up.
pay me in equity. I get expensive fabrics, I got expensive habits. He wanna love with me, he likes to roll with me. He wanna be with me, give me that vitamin D. Felipecharming. Get off my head. Have you ever seen the stage going ape shit? Jumping off the stage, I'm jumping. Crowd better save them.
I'm like Chief Keep Meet Rafiki, who been Lion King to you.
Ain't always been no paradise. The nightmares only last one night.
Clubs and county curfews.
One night. Tighter stairs in a tighter circle.
Large format wines and smokes.
Yeah.
Amelia,
I'm flying in. Some things to me. You do some things to me. Love is deeper than you pay. And I believe you can pay, baby. Long way to go, but we're working.
We're flawed, but we're still perfect for each other. Yeah.
We came and we saw and we conquered it all. So pull me up, pull me up, pull me up. They never let me down, never let me down.
They pray for me, see pray for me, see better days for me.
Better day for me, unexpectedly.
They pray for me, they pray for me. You're in the knee, they in the backseat with the off bumping beat.
They don't practice hard, we don't practice hard. You know, them up, down, so you go, I put 'em up. What would I be without my friends? What would I be without my friends? I ain't got no understanding. How come you might just catch these hands? We fall out and we make amends, yeah, my friends. Your friends are foes, my friends are ghosts. Then pull me up, pull me up, pull me up. Then pull me up,
Pull me up, pull me up, then pull me up, pull me up, pull me up. So that's the end of my playlist, and my camera's dying. I had so much fun filming this. Be sure to follow me on all my social media. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up this video if you like my content and you want more. Please do, it means a lot to me. Don't be a part of the 85% that don't subscribe to my channel. Make sure you join that solid 15 that is subscribed and showing love. And be sure to watch my last upload if you guys want to go ahead and click on this video and watch. That was my favorite production on my channel thus far, and this one maybe my new favorite. So yeah.